Can you solve all these Class 10 Maths Chapter 2 Polynomials questions? Peak exponent. Good thinking. 2 is right. A plus dax. Bravo, 2x1 is the answer. If p equal to 2x plus 1, then p equal to... Smart pick. 1 is correct. Classify by the degree. 3x2. Correct. 1 is spot on. Give the correct name for 3x. Great thinking. Linear monomial is right. A polynomial of degree n has... Excellent choice. At most n zeros is right. A constant polynomial has degree. Good job. Zoe works well. The ordinate of point is... Solid response. 4 is valid. The linear equation in a graph is... Right again. Straight line is valid. Point lies in which quadrant? Smart move. Second is accurate answer. A polynomial that has 2 terms is a... Well picked. Binomial is correct. How many zeros does have? You're right. 2 is correct. Classify by degree of polynomial. 2x9. On track. Linear is correct. Simplify the expression 6 is 5. Right choice. Fix 615 as the maximum exponent of solid multiple. Correct response. 3 is accurate. A polynomial of degree 3 is called... Valid point. Cubic polynomial is true. The zero of the polynomial p equal to tox1 is... Perfect. 1b2 is the one. A great exponent in a linear multilayer. You got it? 1 fits. Degree of the constant polynomial is dash. Great job. Zoe is accurate. Graph of a quadratic polynomial is a dash. Nice work. Parabola fits perfectly. The abscissa of a point lying on y-axis is... Sharp thinking. Zoe is right. The degree of a linear polynomial is... dash. Exactly. 1 makes sense. The number of zeros of cubic polynomial is... Clear logic. At most 3 is sound. If the greatest exponent is 2 in a multilayer. Nice selection. Class is correct. The distance of a point from origin is... Strong choice. 5 is right. Add the following polynomials. Plus. Well done. Yeah, plus will is right. Combine like terms to simplify. Plus. Nicely done. Yeah, plus will is solid. Can the maximum edge of 2 lighted multilinguals? Well reasoned. 2 is correct. The number of polynomials having zeros as 2 and 5 is... Excellent. More than 3 is well reasoned. The number in front of the variable is called the dash. You chose coefficient. Correct. The graph of the linear polynomial will meet x-axis at... Good job. 1 point works well. F equal to... What is the constant term? Great job. 120 is accurate. When we draw parabola, it met at 1 point on x-axis, then... You got it. Zeros are same fits. What is the number of zeros that a linear polynomial has have? Nice selection. 1 is correct.
The number of quadratic polynomials having zeros 2 and 5 is dash.
Well picked. 1 is correct. Which type of polynomial is represented in the figure given in Q4? Great thinking. Quadratic polynomial is right. If p equal to x2 plus bx plus c and a plus c equal to b, then one of the zeros is... Smart pick. 1 is correct. The coordinates of a point on x-axis at a distance 4 unit from origin are... Correct response is accurate. If p is a polynomial of degree 1 and p equal to 0, then a is said to be... Right again. 0 of p is valid. The degree of the product of a quadratic and a cubic polynomial is equal to... Correct. 6 is spot on. If p is a polynomial of at least degree 1 and p equal to 0, then k is known as... Valid point. 0 of p is true. The graph of p equal to 2dx5 is a straight line which intersects x-axis at one point, namely... You chose correct. The coordinates of the ends of diameter of a circle are and then coordinates of its center are... Excellent choice. Is right. Polynomial or not? On track. Not a polynomial is correct. Choose the correct option. Exactly 1 and 3 makes sense. What is the above expression classified as? Excellent. 5th degree monomial is well reasoned. If graph of a polynomial does not intersect the x-axis, but intersects y-axis in one point, then no of zeros of the polynomial is equal to... Clear logic, so is sound. The number of zeros of y equal top in the given figure. Well reasoned. 3 is correct. Zeros of a polynomial can be expressed graphically. Number of zeros of polynomial is equal to number of points where the graph of polynomial is... Well done. Intersects x-axis is right. In the given graph, the number of zeros of the polynomial y equal to p is dash. Smart move. 4 is accurate answer. The graph of a polynomial is shown in figure. Then the number of its zeros is... Strong choice. 3 is right. Find the number of zeros of the given polynomial p in the above graph is dash. Good thinking. 3 is right. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? You're right. Contact Narayan Changda on Facebook is correct.